Gather round, retards. Fat cunt grandpa here's about to tell you a story about the creation of Bruh Sound Effect 7. A very long time ago. There was two people that, debated shit about, philosophy. Now, basically, Plato was really controversial because while he had a lot of great quotes, his main definition of man is anything that was a featherless bipedal. So one day, this mad lad Diogenes, who's, basically this cynical lesbian that we know today, but a lot older, ran up on this bitch, held out a plucked chicken and said, "Behold, a man!" And honestly, this made Plato so mad that the next sound that came out of his mouth was unimaginably just phenomenal. And that is the creation of Bruh Sound Effect 7.
I want a round dedicated to meat. No, I'm kidding.
A round dedicated to meat. Okay, what if they implemented those boss rounds that Moat had, but without the Moat charm? Less Moat, more us.
Some dragon character off of World of Warcraft. We can use that as another boss.
Alright, look, I love... Ah, shit, I can't believe you've done this. My thing was hey, let's get some Dark Souls. Let's get some Rainbow Six. Let's get some more of the animes, but not the weird animes, the good shit, talking Dragon Ball Z and JoJo. Those are good shit. If you attack me, I'll use Star Platinum, swear to God. I think Akame ga Kill is a little overrated, don't get me wrong. I hated the ending to that. Deadass, tell me what's so good about Akame ga Kill. Everybody just fucking died. The best thing about Josuke's arc is that nobody important had to die.
I mean, it's debatable.
I said no one important. Shigechi was not even that good. He looked like a fucking onion. We all gotta bully Mocha. So the best way to do it is to go on a server, ping him, and tell him, hey, add this shit or I'm gonna suck your ass.
It works. It just worked.
Go on, go in, Korea. Go on, let's get in there. Let's get in there and fight. What are you doing?
I'm proven to.
Don't you feel oppressed by the government? They're putting chemicals in the water that turn the freaking frogs gay. Okay, someone just died upstairs. That's not okay. Who wants the big black lumberjack penis?
Fucking kill him.
Then why don't you go up that ladder and take care of the tea that's right above you then? How about that, huh? Nerd. Punk. Okay, Night Demon, now you gotta explain because that guy was proven you killed him. What the heck, Night Demon? Be careful. You might get the dead. The plot thickens. Alright, Shaggy and Scooby, you go. Oh. We on some Scooby-Doo shit. That's what I'm saying. You even got me on the sofa? It wasn't me. All hail the Lord and Savior, the T-posing Spartan. Hail to the T-posing Spartan. Just sat here wondering, what the fuck am I even doing? Luigi, get the fucking dog off the table!
The dog's always on the table. What do you want?
Put him outside. Put him in there. Put him in there. You didn't put him in there. He's still out here. You killed him. Detective, why? Okay, so Controller is our new dog. Luigi! Put the dog outside! Put him outside! He's right there. He's standing right beside you. Put him outside. If you don't put him out... Ah! Help! He's hitting me! Domestic abuse! Domestic abuse! I can't feel my legs. But you gotta put the dog outside. Wait, are these doors breakable? They are not. What the fuck is up, Kyle? No, you step the fuck up, Kyle. What the fuck, dude? Me and Mogi are the traitors this round. Hooray! That's what you get for talking shit about JoJo. Here is a clip demonstrating that people that are VIP think they're just above the rules. I mean, weird fleck. Who wants fun? Alright, time to guess. That was not it. Bowling ball detective on the case. Do you not understand what I'm saying? You are monkey. You are basically monkey. Get him! He's monkey! You're getting a fucking haircut. Back here. Don't run away. Get your hair cut. Monkey need haircut. Come here. Your hair has been cut. Go on. I knew it! Just got RDM'd by this person. Same VIP. Who thinks they can just get away with it because they're VIP. The logic is invalid. Are you a goblin, huh? Are you a goblin? You goblin down this dick? You goblin down this dick? I don't trust you. Quit smoking. Wow! I knew it, he was a fucking goblin. Banjo, don't join the deathmatch, come and join us. Be one of our barrel brothers, man. We inhabited the barrels, we're in the kitchen. My wife was here at one time, but she left saying it was sexist or something. So then I went out and bought a dishwasher that couldn't talk back. Let's make sweet, succulent love. Come here, big boy. Come on, goblin, come over here and smack me. Oh no, he's got me! Put me down, heathen! Put me down, heathen! Do not touch me! He's touching me! No! Goblin, help, he's touching me! This is not okay! There's more- listen to me, listen to me. There's more barrels over there in that kitchen. We gotta go save them. Go forward. Save those barrels! They're in the kitchen. I gotta sneeze! I'm allergic to goblins. I don't like them. I'm coming! Ow, I hit something. Put all the barrels in the hallway. They're stuck in the kitchen. We must liberate them. Liberate the barrels! Alright, hold on, barrel. I'm gonna get you out of here. Ready for this? Yeet! Did it go? Yeah, it went. Ah! Honk, you put that barrel down right now. Liberation! 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 Excuse me for what I must jabba dabba do. Excuse me for what I must jabba dabba do. Oh my god, I didn't even shoot him. He killed himself. He just killed himself with the prop. Put that candy back. I ain't buying your shit. Ow! But why though? How could this happen to me? I made my mistakes. Nowhere to run. I'm gonna come inside your sister today. Shoddy said she liked the way I default dance. Turn into a barrel. It's a sneak. That's not a sneak attack. That's not how a sneak attack works. That is not how you do a sneak attack. Sneak attacks work when you shoot. I didn't notice you, but you don't shoot somebody that's not in it. That's not. That wasn't even guilty. You stupid. Give me that dick.
Like checking my back.
Give me that dick. Give me that dick.
No.
Barrels don't have rape laws. Ugh. Give me that dick. No, you get back here. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that dick. Come here. Give me that dick! Right in there! Right in there! This is why my grandparents refuse to watch any of my videos. I'm crazy! I want to eat you, baby! Wait, guys, hold on. There's a box. Guys, that box is not welcome here. F4. Get him. Get that box. Attack. Attack. Kill. Kill. Get him, Tech Neck. Get that box. That box is not allowed. No, you can't make it bigger. I super glued it. Get him, DPI! DPI, run! He's gonna eat your dick! Why are they trying to do menu? That doesn't work for them, peasants. Everybody vote 1, or I will admin abuse you so hard. Ah, fuck. You guys aren't reliable for it. This is why Mom doesn't fucking love you. Ah! Ah! Banjo has turned into a freaking feminist! Ah! Why am I lagging here? What the fuck is this map? Ow! What the fuck was that? I didn't mean to! There was an innocent guy there! Don't yell at me! I'm in it! Don't touch me! I'm fragile! Bitch, look at my rank right now! I am Durlaw! You diddly dong, get off that building right now before I suck your dick out your asshole! No, I don't consent to searches. I don't consent to searches!
Bully! You're bullying. Why are we shooting you?
Oh my god, I shot the wrong person. I accidentally got the wrong person. I'm a fucking great detective. I will not lose a fight to a fucking table. Ow! Come here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come here. Ow! Fuck me. Come here. Haha! I'm beating you. You are being beat. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Right now. World Star. World Star. Haha! I beat it. I'm on top of it. Now I can ride it to victory. Spin, fucker. Spin!
You've conquered the table.
Spin! Spin, I say! I am your master. I control you. Spin! Ow! Ow! Why would you ruin it for me? I am the king of fabulous. I just started the footage. Okay, ready? Look. We're gonna play Mousetrap Roulette. You gotta get the cheese without dying. Okay? Lolly, you're up first. Weird. Okay, now that we're alone. Ready for this? You forgot about the part where I say we were doing a boomerang roulette. I was gonna throw it around the room, not at you. You fucking numbskull. You ruined the bit! Run it back! What are you testing? What are you testing? I want to see.
I think it resets your falling speed or whatever, because it was one time I was at like 30 health.
You're trying to break the game?
Only drop down to like, yeah, watch that.
Well, that was fucking stupid. Don't worry, guys. I watched this. Got this. Easy. Boom. Done. Easy. I defused your fucking C4. I'm out. I'm about to head out. I'm going to 7-Eleven. You guys want anything?
Can you get me a slushie?
You get head. Uh-oh, she's underage! No lollies! Bro, now that I think about it, what if people that date lollies aren't pedophiles? They're just beta testers.
What the fuck?
I'm kidding, that's fucked, but think about it.
What the fuck?
They're just beta testing, bro. Early access. It's just early access. I mean, it's fucked up to think about, but maybe that's what it is. They just bought it early on Steam.
Yo, it's Strikey Dawson, and you know he ball cautious. YouTube gang got competitors. Lumberjack gang bang, bouncing like a orangutan, tryna fuck with the gang. Offensive and he insane. Disrespect, he the law, you need some therapy. Engage in that psycho and call it Chief Cherokee. Motherfucking masterpiece, big belly laughing, hit a hearty hard. Bitch blowing out left, can't stand there, we go hard. Opposites attract, enemy, game and rap, we do it all. Strap, if you need criticism, give Strikey your call. That's all motherfuckers, better give me your all. Then before you leave, don't you dare mess up the vibe, hit that bell icon, like and subscribe now.